steamy in here. I don't know what's going to happen to it. You know, somebody should really clean up the kitchen. Has anybody considered like doing dishes once or twice while I was gone? No, just no. Well, at least somebody left me a clean pan. At least the pan's clean, so it's not too bad. So. Made it up to 4 minutes. It smells good. It smells good at least. What do you think? It smells good? Okay, we'll let it wait. Let me know until you smell something. We're at 4. Oh man, it's smoking. We can see smoke coming out now. That's a lot of smoke. That's a lot of smoke. Something. Now it's just smoking. I'm trying to keep this smoking. Now it's hot smoke. You still don't smell it now? No? There's smoke. I don't even think I can let it go past that. Oh God. Oh God.
That smells great.
I think so. It smells burnt. No shit. Always keep a pair of tongs around. You never know. Yep, don't touch this. Very, very hot. Ugh. My brain hurts now.